This will be a quick video on installing the armrest for a John Deere X370. It couldn't be easier. 6 screws. You need a Torx head. But I didn't have anything else to do, so it sounded like a good project. Okay, this little video is going to be about installing these armrests on the X370. This is a John Deere part, BM23761. Obviously comes with the 2 armrests, 6 clips to go on the seat, 6 screws. Be careful when you get this. If you buy one of these, the screws were in this bag. The bag's not closed, so the screws were all over the inside of the box. Thankfully, none of them came out. They do have it pretty well secured. So far, the only thing I can tell you're going to need is this little boy here. Can we focus on that? No. Well, that's a T30. Maybe it comes in there. That's a T30 Torx. Might need a pair of pliers or maybe a little hammer to tap those into position. We'll figure that out soon enough. Okay, so let's look at this real quick. These pop in flat side. It's on the outside. And you tighten it up. You know, the threads will be on the inside, so it tightens up against itself. You're going to find 3 little holes similar to this. So you'll put that on right over that hole. Tighten this back down. You won't tighten it down left-handed. So at this point, I folded the arm back down where it'd be in position. You see that's going to go there and line up with those 3 holes real nice. We'll get the screws started. We'll be right back. So I'm going to recommend when you start this, just put this on loose to begin with. These holes may not line up exactly right, and you're going to want a little bit of play to get them lined up correctly. And once you got them started, just run those in, snug them up real good. They're a little snug going in. I think these are self-tappers, so you're tapping these as they go in. If you have an electric ratchet drill, whatever they call those things, probably wouldn't hurt. You can feel them getting tight when you get to the end. And there we go, one more. Yep. Let's get this. That's pretty much it. They're tight. Okay. Don't go too tight because you don't want to strip that out. Once they're stripped, they are done. And that is it. 3 screws on this side. Yep. 3 more on that side. The only other thing you might want to adjust, if you're not happy with the tension for these going up and down, like this is pretty tight on this side. I'm going to leave it alone, but there's a spring adjustment here. You can loosen that up a little tighter, a little stronger, tighter, looser, whatever you like. And that's that. I'll say this. Oh, look at that. I didn't get that one tight up top. Now let's get that bad boy going. Check your work. Tight. Tight and tight. Okay, these things are nice. This is a little padded, but it's pretty stiff. A little padded there, but you know, it is firm up and down. I may go and loosen this one up just a little bit. That one's really snug. This one over here, not quite so bad. There is a lock. That is a lock nut there, so you can loosen that up. I don't know, maybe half a turn is what I'll do and see how that feels. Other than that, this thing's nice. This is, I don't know, that looks like 10 or 12 gauge steel there. That's nice heavy steel. It's not going anywhere. And it makes a nice look. Right? Makes a nice look for a new tractor. So we're all back away. I really like those armrests. They weren't cheap, $100, $116, I think, with tax and all. But they are, they're not cheap. They're not flimsy. It's really nice. I'm surprised. Really nice piece. Okay. So just to wrap this up real quick, these armrests are really a quality item. They're not flimsy at all like some of the agrifab stuff that they sell for the back end. I mean, it's obvious that John Deere probably made these things. They're really well built, sturdy pieces. Highly recommended, super easy to install. I mean, just so easy a caveman could do it. All right, take care. See you next time.